Students, listen here. We are on page number 52. In margin C, they written, guess the meaning of. Reverse engineer means find, search. See the first passage of page number 52. Glass was manufactured by great secret, a complicated process. To manufacture a glass, it is a complicated process. You know that glass is made by the white sand that we found most of all at the ocean's seashore. Process, and Davy knew that with the equipment available in the Faraday would never be able to accomplish the task. Davy, his mentor, know that which equipment Faraday had. With that equipment, he can't success in making the glass. This piece of glass became significant in his life. That piece of glass, what is the significance in the life of Faraday? The questions asked to you, the answer is the piece. The piece of glass became significant thing in his life. A piece of glass. See next passage. Faraday had never give up. This sentence is very important. Faraday had never give up. Give up means was relieve the idea. Stop trying. Stop to attempt, do the attempt. But he never give up. He never leave anything. It is his attitude. Whose? Davy's attitude. And he respected Davy. Though Davy is by cruel or jealous temperament, but Faraday had a good temperament, so he never blamed, but in spite of that he respected the Davy. So he accepted the assignment. Assignment means work given by Davy, despite knowing that it would be very difficult. He know that task is difficult, but he never gave up. He is ready to do that. He toiled. Toil means do hard work. 4 years. How many years he do that work that on that project? 4 years he done. With the no help from Davy and I expected failure, Faraday never learned the secret, and this remained the first failure of his scientist. The first failure of Faraday's life is that he failed in to make the glass. For that he do the attempt for 4 years. This was the first failure of making glass of the Faraday. To remind himself of this difficult time, he kept a single glass brick on his shelf. So to remember his failure, what he did, Faraday, he kept one breaked glass in front of himself as a souvenir. Now you know the meaning of souvenir. Remembers memories. This would inspire him during the difficult time, because that breaked glass inspired him during the difficult time of Faraday's life. Next passage, see, in 1829, now the period of 1829, David died. That was the death of the Davy. Faraday succeeded him as the head of the laboratory. Due to the death of the Davies, now Faraday became head of that laboratory, Davy's laboratory. He was free to pursue एखाद्याचं मन वळवणे, to success in turn the mind of someone's whatever he liked, and he made another revolutionary kranti, discoveries, research, invention. He noticed that if he moved a magnet, it could produce electric current. What he decided, if he moved the magnet, electrical current, then electrical current process from that magnet movement. Thus, he could now convert a motion into electricity. What he did? Motion into electricity, म्हणजे गतीचं रूपांतर विद्युतमध्ये. This is how the electric generator was born. nowadays electronic generator we use when the light is not there. This is the invention done by the Faraday. Something still used today to generate all kinds of power, all kinds of electricity that we use today, that is generated by motions electricity, like diamonds and other devices. See next passage. Faraday was now legend. Legend means a great person by the deed, by the work that people follow them. That is called legend. Legend like Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Lata Mangeshkar, Sachin Tendulkar means in every field the great personalities are called a legend. It is time of 1840. He developed a memory loss. See, by the bad luck of Faraday, now Faraday became lost his memory. त्यांनी त्याची स्मरणशक्ती हरवली आहे, which continued for the rest of his life. 1840 साली त्यांनी आपली स्मृती गमावली आणि ॲट द एंड ऑफ लाईफ मीन्स रेस्ट ऑफ हिज लाईफ रिमेनिंग लाईफ ही वॉज लिव्हिंग इन दॅट मेमरी लॉस. बट द डिसीजेस डिड नॉट स्टॉप हिम. He have a great willing power. So disease, memory loss disease, never stop him. He preserved static, a complicated experiment to prove that light was closely related to electricity and magnetism. A novel thought he those times. In the rest of life, he also worked on the electricity. Last passage C. Remember means memorize that piece of Bavarian glass Faraday had kept on his shelf. He was determined to decide something firm, to convert the reminder of his first major failure to an instrument of great success. That is become the goal or inspire him for his success. What? Break the glass. He was determined to convert the reminder of his first major failure and an instrument of great success. He used the same glass now to show that in the prisms of magnet light could be isolated into a single wave rather than spreading out randomly in all directions. Concept called polarization. This concept is now called polarizations. He then took the age-old experiment of sprinkling iron filling on sheet of paper near the magnet, making circular patterns. This experiment you know very well. एका पेपरवरती आपण जर लोहाचे काही तुकडे ठेवले आणि मॅग्नेट लोह चंबू जर त्याच्यावर नेलं तर ते मॅग्नेट ते लोखंडाचे खिळे म्हणा आयन आकर्षित करते, अट्रॅक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट. He went on to prove that these patterns were not a property of the iron filling. In fact, they were due to the invisible magnetic fields that fill the empty space around the magnet. He disturbed the filling. This is where his lack of formal education went against. Faraday did not know much about advanced mathematics. Due to his financial conditions, he couldn't learn more, and that became the obstacle in his life. So remember students, education is very important. Due to his uneducations or less educations, that become the failure of something. Magnetic fields, invisible, disturb the feeling. This is the lack of formal education. Formal education, औपचारिक शिक्षण जे तुम्ही घेता went against him. Faraday did not know much about advanced mathematics. जे आधुनिक मॅथमॅटिक्स आहे ते फॅरेडेना कळू शकले नाही, ते कारण ते खूप शिकले नव्हते आणि त्याचं कारण त्यांची आर्थिक परिस्थिती. सो ही जस्ट कॉपीड द आयर्न फिलिंग. Iron filling with his hand. He was unable to explain them in the formal mathematical equations, so couldn't he explain that formula in mathematical equation. He made hundreds of such drawings, but without equation they were not accepted. See last passage. This line is very important. Fortune favor brave Faraday. नशीब नेहमी कोणाचं साथ देतं? शूर लोकांचं, जे बिलीव्ह इन हार्डवर्क, जे कष्टावरती विश्वास ठेवतात. वन्स अगेन वेन ही मेड जेम्स मॅक्सवेल अ वेल्दी एज्युकेटेड फिजिस्ट. जेम्स मॅकवेल कोण होते? एक सायंटिस्ट होते. कोणत्या क्षेत्रात? एज्युकेटेड फिजिस्ट होते. ही वॉज अ फिजिसिस्ट. in what, in which, well in mathematics. He was well in mathematics. He was willing to work with Faraday. It was Maxwell who translated Faraday's idea into set of equations. He knew the mathematics, so the ideas of Faraday's he turned into equations that are now called Maxwell equations. The equation done by the Maxwell of the ideas of Faraday, that is called Maxwell's equations. They combine the work has helped us in many ways. Electronics and communication systems today are designed around their discoveries. Someday we might even able to communicate with the alliance across a different galaxy using the product of this discoveries. This discoveries also nowadays use. Faraday's lab started with difficulties. This is very, but as a great scientist, he meet each difficulty. To meet each difficulty, it is a phrase, means to face the difficulty. With the prism, how he faced the difficulties? With perseverance, conviction, he was given impossible tasks which undertook a challenges and opportunities. He optimized what he felt. Disney character and Pinocchio said, "When you wish upon a star, it doesn't matter who you are." He was pessimistic or optimistic? He was optimistic. Optimistic म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूडला, पेसिमिस्टिक म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूडला. लास्ट लाईन सी, वेन यू विश अपॉन स्टार, हू से? डिझनी. When you wish upon a star, it doesn't matter who you are. If you want to wish, if you want to will to become a star, it doesn't matter who are you, by the financial condition, by caste, creed, religion, country, it is not matter. This lesson is took from the introduction of Resignated by APJ Abdul Kalam and Srijan Pal Singh. This lesson is finished here. Now complete the workbook and learn it, because summary test is coming soon.